Okay, so now I'm going to show the actual scoring. I've penciled off where I want to score. So with the sharp blade, just follow the line. The pencil kind of followed the groove that was there from the mold. Kind of rotating it so you kind of see. Okay. And then on the side here, cutting out the bevel here, and then coming down right there, and then along the front there, on the side here again, and right there. So going to break that apart. I like to wear gloves just so some of the sharp corners don't gouge my hand. So that should just break out like that. Alright, so that pretty much cuts that free. And then for this extra flaring here, I like to stick it over the edge of the work table. And just cut that. Sometimes you gotta do a couple passes just to make sure you're going all the way through. And then this way it's flat, you don't have this, like I said, flare piece in the way. Alright, so then that's the front right bicep there. And this we're going to clean up the same way. Now there is a chance that you'll find, because this is the open side, you might want to leave a little bit wider here where it's going to glue to this part, and then maybe taper this where it's a little bit narrower, maybe half of this thickness towards the front. But that's going to kind of depend. You want to kind of check to see, you know, when you glue that other side and this side, the idea is to make sure that this edge butts up against that edge where my thumbnail is, and then this is just underneath. But that's part of the more the gluing and assembly part. Right now I'm just kind of trying to show where to cut and trim this up, and you know, so the whole knife scoring and snap technique I think works well. So just continue to do that with all the parts. I cut all these in the same direction there, and then that way I can then, like I said, lay it over the workbench and cut off what you need to on the sides there with a nice cutting mat and a new blade. So I'm going to do that to all the parts, and then test fit everything, of course taping it all up, checking it to my body, and doing that before I glue it together.